Okay, I'm going to take the driver's side door panel off. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a posi drive. It's just behind the handle. I think this is going to be about a T40. So that's all it looks like, just them bolts, screw there, and the same below, just 4 there, probably 4 underneath. And hopefully that's it. So let's try. I won't bore you doing them all, I'll come back in a minute. So I've just undone this plastic thing. Done on the posi screwdriver, and obviously that pulls free. So obviously this should be all loose now. So I'm going to give it a pull. Just got to watch out for that little bit there. But it should be pulling free, so I'll give it a go. Of course, I forgot about the 2 obvious ones behind the handle. Obviously you need them there to give it strength, but somehow I forgot, so I've got to take them off next. Okay, now that's free. It just fell away, so always remember to look at all the bolts and remember that bit as well there. Okay, that's it for that then. That gives you some good access to the window inside the doors and the speakers and door latch, probably lock as well. Anyway, I bet the motor to the electric windows is down there, so let's keep going. Last bolt of them. There's 2 at the sides there as well, which I didn't see before. There's lots of been in here before. That could be your motor to your electric windows, your regulators and all that. So yeah, got some good access in the door. That's it. Door card's off. It's the same the other side, so I'm not going to bother filming both sides. I'll just name it for both. Easy.